In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside SurveyMonkey, you want to create a new survey. And of course, you could start off a template. However, I'm going to show you how to do this using this button which says Start from Scratch. Okay, so we're going to go completely from scratch, and I'm going to show you how easy it actually is to create a quiz. So I'm going to click on Start from Scratch over here. And we're going to make a quick quiz over here just to show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to title this quiz. There we go. And I'm going to put it on the center. There we go. Save. And that's the start. Now, the first thing you have to do if you actually want to create a quiz, you want to click on options up here, and then it's going to take you to the options here, and on the left it says quiz. Make sure you turn this on. Okay, so enable quiz mode, and then you can just exit this and quiz mode is going to be enabled. Then in here you can just start with your quiz questions. So for example, let's just do a basic one. What is my favorite color? Okay, there we go. And then you can do a, for example, multiple choice question if you want. For example, I'm just going to type in 3 different colors over here as an example, and I'm going to do it like this. There we go, green. Okay, and then here you can actually put how many points people will score whenever they actually get a question right, of course, regarding your quiz. Now, I'm going to say, let's say green is my favorite color. I'm just going to make it 1 point, but of course, if you want multiple questions to be correct but scored differently, you could put like 2 points on this one, and then 1 point here and 1 point here as well, or like maybe 3 over here, stuff like that. And it's going to basically allow you to put different points on different answers in case that's something you want to do. Okay, then click on the save button, and just like this, your first part of your quiz has been done. Okay, you can then just go ahead and add content, so on the same page, or you could also add a new page if you want to. I'm just gonna put it on the same page over here, and you could go ahead and actually put on a different thing. So for example, here you could also do like a ranking, a slider, a star rating, checkboxes, whatever you want to do. And again, these you could give points to as well. So let's just do something random over here like this, and then we're going to just click save. And that's that. Okay, now you can create, of course, as many questions as you want in here and create a quiz according to your own preference and your own topic. And whenever you're ready, you could just go to click on preview survey. It's going to take you to a separate page where you can actually preview it, and then here you'll be able to basically click through it and see if you actually made a quiz which is functional. Okay, now whenever you are done with this, you'll be then able to actually see your score here. That's first, and I'm going to actually just go to the collect responses tab so I can show you how this would actually look like in action. So I'm going to copy it, paste it in here. There we go. This is my survey. And it's actually the quiz. Okay, so it's going to say what is my favorite color. I'm going to click on the red, and then 1 2 3, I'm just going to click a random thing, click on done over here, and at the very end I'll be able to see, there we go, I scored basically like 60%, a bit less. Okay, so that's how easy it is to actually create a quiz in SurveyMonkey. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.